In this video, I explained the difference between pressure relief valves and pressure reducing valve. So on the left side, I mentioned the point of the pressure relief valves, and on the right side, that is the point of the pressure reducing valves. So pressure relief valve is normally closed type valve. Okay, so from the name you can understand that the relief valve is used to reduce the pressures and it is directly supplied it to the tank. Okay, means when the pressure is increased, at that time we need to open this valve. That's why they are normally closed type valve. And it is of pressure reducing valve, means it is also pressure reducing valve, but its function is to reduce the pressures of the supply oil or a compressed air, and then after it is supplied to the system. Okay, so these are the normally open type valves. Okay, so in this figure here you see that in a pressure relief valve the inlet is there. Okay, then inlet is also equal to the pilot pressures. Okay, and here it is the outlet, means suppose here the preset level of the pressure relief valve is the 10 bar. Okay, so when the pressure is increased about 10 bar, then the oil is enter here and this valve is open and the oil is supplied it to the outlet, means it is supplied it to the reservoirs. In a pressure reducing valves, this outlet is connected with the system, means suppose oil is coming here with the 12 bar pressure and it is reduced, then this outlet is connected with the system. Okay, means in a pressure reducing valve it is a normally open type valve because its outlet is connected with the system, means from this end, okay, the oil is supplied it to the directional control valve. From the directional control they are further supplied it to the other component of the hydraulic as well as the pneumatic systems. But in pressure relief valve the outlet is connected with the tank or a reservoirs. Second point, it opens when inlet pressure become more than the preset value, means system pressure or a pilot pressures become more than the preset value. That I already explained. Suppose the pressure set is 10 bar and the pressure is increased about 10 bar, that is 11 or 12, then what happen? This valve is open and the oil is supplied back to the tank or a reservoirs. Now it is a normally open valve, means when it is closed. So it close when outlet pressure become more than the preset value, means suppose here outlet pressure means system pressure required is suppose 10 bar and here this pressure is increased about the 10 bar, suppose 11 or 12. At that time this pressure reducing valve is stop. Means in a normally closed type when it is open we need to explain, and in normally open type when it is closed. That here is mentioned in the second point. Pressure relief valve is fitted in a bypass line to the reservoir tank. Means pressure relief valve is installed in a bypass line. From that oil is directly supplied to the tank or a reservoirs. Pressure reducing valve is fitted in a main line to the system. Means it is fitted in a main line of the system, means the inlet is connected with this pump and outlet is connected with the directional control valve, means it is connected with the system component. 4 point, in a pressure relief valve outlet is connected to the reservoir tank. So here you see this outlet port is connected with the tank or a reservoirs. In a pressure reducing valve the outlet is connected to the system, that I already explained. This outlet is connected with the directional control valves and further the directional control valve is connected with the other component of the system. Now 5th point in a pressure relief valve is that inlet pressure is the system pressures. Okay, so here you see that inlet is connected with the system, means inlet pressure is the system pressure, means required pressure of the system, it's the inlet pressure. In a pressure reducing valve the outlet pressure is the system pressure because this outlet of the pressure reducing valve is connected with the system. Next point, in pressure relief valve inlet pressure is the pilot pressures. Pilot pressure means how it is the operate. So here you see this valve is operated by using the inlet pressure. Okay, so according to this inlet pressure it is operated, that means the inlet pressure is the pilot pressures. And in a pressure reducing valve outlet pressure is the pilot pressure. Why it is considered the outlet pressure is pilot pressure? Because here at the outlet the pressure is increased above the preset value. At that time this directional control valve is operated. That's why the outlet pressure is considered as the pilot pressure. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to the OHP as well as other subject of the mechanical engineering. For the OHP, various link is provided in descriptions as well as in a card mean on the top right screen of your mobile or laptop you see the I symbol. For other subject I request to visit the playlist.